let's put a Ford in there. All Fords are safe. That's a given. The only question is, how is it going to be dealt with?
Last question, we've got.
Kurt will take your calls on it.
Here is the latest weather synopsis. Fog will blanket some of the coastal areas tonight. High pressure will continue to dominate this weekend with high clouds and slight.
LA's new alternative.
On the app, groundbreaking interviews, amazing in-show moments, behind-the-scenes footage, live performances, all come to life in a way you only imagined before. Plus, you can hear over 100 extra channels we've just added. And now you can do it all along with listening in your car as part of our select.
We'll just blame Jason Garrett, and so it works out well for Jerry. And so I don't know if they miss on those top guys, who's better than Jason Garrett? And that's got to be considered if you're a Cowboys fan. I know it might be disappointing, but is Eric Bieniemy a better option? Robert Saleh a better option? I'm not sure.
His name is Jeff Schwartz. He's our guest, 8-year NFL vet. Of course, host of the Jeff Schwartz is Smarter Than You podcast.
Jeff, let's switch gears right now to college. You were both from Los Angeles. You were one of the, the first to say, you know what, I'm not going to USC, not going to UCLA.